Hello guys, today we are unboxing the Aqara U200 Smart Lock. It's a brand new product from Aqara. Aqara are a manufacturer of smart home accessories. They have everything. They have smart locks, they have smart switches, they have controllers, everything, hubs, alarms, and everything actually. But recently they introduced this smart lock U200, which is an affordable version of their other smart locks, and it supports all of these things below: Apple Home, Alexa, Matter, Thread, Samsung smart things. I didn't even know that such thing exists, and Google Home. So today we will unbox this beauty. It supports every type of doors that you can imagine: Euro type, Scandi, deadbolt, and it requires menu installation that we will see in the second part of this video. It's really convenient, and it's compatible with a lot of doors, and you don't need a lot of installation. You don't need to be very skilled craftsman to do this, to install this smart lock. But let's see the product and how to unbox it first, and then we'll continue. There are some protecting stickers here that we'll cut with my trusty Leatherman knife that is a star of a lot of unboxings. And here we got the nice plastic from this is the keypad that it can be used to unlock the door. This is mounted on the outside, and you have fingerprint, you have unlocking with keypad that you can do. You can also unlock with your iPhone, NFC supported phone. There is a NFC here tag, and it's supposed to be really convenient. This product was on Kickstarter initially. It was delayed a bit, but after that, a few months later, they released it, and we'll check everything for this product. So let's remove this one. We don't need it. It's pretty nice, actually. Pretty good build quality from Aqara. I have a lot of Aqara accessories in my home. They are actually Xiaomi brand. And we have here what we have. We have this pull sticker. This actually, the locking mechanism itself is really heavy, unlike this one. This one is light, and this is mounted on the inside of the door. It's not visible from the outside. And the really cool thing is that you continue to use your old key and your old locking device. You just put the key here, and it will unlock by turning this thing here. This is motorized, and you can unlock it from the Aqara app and maybe from a home kit. What else we have in the box? We have a printed manual of sorts, small printed manual in many languages, but mainly there are QR codes that you can download the manual. We have the 3M sticker that is used to install this, maybe on the inside of your door, like that. Or you can use screws. Actually, yeah, there are some holes for the screws, but we will see the installation guide later. And what else? We have more stickers. Some are fatter, some are smaller, and we have this spacer here. There are actually a lot of things, but it's supposed to be easy. We have carrying pouch. I don't know why we need the carrying pouch. We have charging cable, USB-C. We have screws, all type of screws and some other things. And I don't know how this is called in English. I know it in Bulgarian, but not in English. And here inside we have a battery. Oh, it's nice. It has a battery. And we have the other batteries. We have the other batteries for the control unit. I guess this is the control unit. And we have some spacers here, some things that I don't know what are they for, and nothing else. I don't see NFC unlocking tags, but probably they are not part of this bundle. I think the Kickstarter edition had them. So let's see what's inside the box. Anything else? No, there's nothing inside the box. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the Aqara U200, and we'll now move to installation and setup. Stay tuned.